Hello, good morning students. Today our topic is the alphabetical order. We have learned that the English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. हम सभी ने सीखा है कि इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट में 26 लेटर्स होते हैं ए से लेकर जेड तक. They are always written in the same order. Now get into groups of 5 and stand in a line in alphabetical order by your first name. Aman starting from A, then Bhola starting from B, then Chaman starting from C, then Dolly starting from D, Addition starting from E. Now read out the names of these subjects: arts, computer, English, Hindi, mathematics, science. Did you notice that these have been listed in alphabetical order? Now see. First, arts starting from A, and then computer starting from C. After that, English starting from E, then Hindi starting from H, mathematics starting from M, science starting from S. There are first letters are arranging by the alphabetical order. The order in which the letters of the alphabet appear is called the alphabetical order. It means वह क्रम जिसमें वर्णमाला के अक्षर दिखाई देते हैं वर्णमाला क्रम कहलाते हैं. While arranging words in alphabetical order, you must always consider the following. First, start by comparing the first letter of the words. For example, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant. These words are arranging by the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, then E. In case all the words start with the same letter, take a look at the second letters in each word. यहाँ पे हम कुछ वर्ड्स देखेंगे जिनके फर्स्ट लेटर जो है सेम है लेकिन सेकंड जो लेटर्स है वो अरेंज किए गए हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर के द्वारा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, B for ball, B for belt, B for bean, B for bun. These words are starting from the same letter. All words are starting from B, but A, after that E, after that I, and after that U. In case the first two letters of the words are same, take a look at the third letter to arrange the words in alphabetical order. यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं जिनके स्टार्टिंग के जो टू लेटर्स हैं वो सेम हैं लेकिन उनके नेक्स्ट लेटर्स जो हैं वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकली अरेंज किए गए हैं. यू कैन सी फॉर एग्जांपल JA, CKET जैकेट, जैम, जार, jaw. These words are starting from JA, JA, JA and JA, but these letters are arranging by the alphabetical order C, M, R, W. Okay, thanks to listen to me.